Good morning, all of you. In class 11th accountancy, we are on the chapter bills of exchange, and already I explained you the theory part and numerical. And yesterday through PPT, I explained you dishonor of bills of exchange. So I am sure you all will be able to do these questions. Today I am going to explain you bills of exchange here again with one example. So it will be easy for you to see that how the questions we will do, and in bills of exchange the different conditions are there. So first of all, I am going to explain you dishonor of bills of exchange through general entries. First of all, I am going to explain you general entries. So bills of exchange, dishonor. Dishonor means non-payment of bill by the or refusal of the payment by the drawee at the maturity. So in that case, what will be the general entry? So in our example, I am going to explain you through various conditions. So see here, these are the conditions. It is easy for you. This is condition. This is books of draw. This is books of drawing. Yes, now discuss it again. Who is the drawer? Maker of the bill. Who is the drawing? Acceptor of the bill. Okay, I will write it. Drawer is maker, writer, drawing will be acceptor, yes. Who will receive the payment? Drawer. Who will give the payment? Drawee. Okay. Another term which I gave you to identify easy. Yes. Drawer is seller. Drawee is buyer. Clear? Now one by one I am going to tell you about dishonor condition. See, on maturity, first condition, 4 payment mechanisms was there. Yes. First, keep till maturity. So first condition, on maturity. Self. What is the meaning of self? See. Okay, wait, I am going to tell you, don't worry. Self means the bill kept by the drawer till maturity with himself, self. Okay, so on maturity, he will contact to the drawee and tell him about the bill. Then maybe the drawer will not give the payment, drawee will not make the payment. Then in that condition, what will be the entry here? See, he will pass the entry drawee account debit to bills receivable account to cash. In bracket, we will write that amount will be noting charges. See, to make the payment safe, drawee account debit. To make the payment safe or for preparation of case or court account, then the drawer has right to go to the registrar office and notary department will give the noting, and that is termed as noting charges. And now that will become protest, means more safe. See here, the condition is will dishonor. Will dishonor. Now the drawee will get the bill back. What will be the entry he will pass? Simple. Bills payable coming back. He will write opening charges. And the drawer will become creditor now. Narration, simple, bill dishonor. See, you can ask, why here you are not debiting the noting charges? Why you are debiting the noting charges here? What's the reason? Simple. Payment of noting charges made by the drawer, but the expenses of noting charges bear by drawee. Why? Because drawee is the defaulter for non-making the payment, not paying on due date. That's why he will bear this loss, because that loss occurs due to drawee only. He is the defaulter. Clear? Now, got it? Yes, one time. Drawee, he is the receiver. Bills receivable is going out. Cash is also going out for making payment of noting charges. Notary will charge some charges, that is termed as noting charges. But now that drawee will become debtor for more amount. Now here, bills payable comes in. As from the general entries rule, 3 golden rules, I told you about that. Yes. Okay. All comes in will debited, all goes out will be credit. The receiver will be debit, giver will be credit. All expenditures and losses will be debit, all income and gain will be credit. So here, bills payable comes in, that's why debit. Noting charges is expenses. All the 3 rules of golden rules of general entries are applicable in this case, in this entry. See, bills payable comes in, comes back, then debited. Noting charges is the expenses, that's why debited, according to 3rd rule. And who is the giver? Drawer is the giver. Drawer is returning it now. That's why it will become credit. So drawer is the giver. So BP comes in, noting charges expenses, that's why debit, and who is the giver? Drawer is the giver, that's why debit. Okay. Now, this condition is possible only when the bill is with the drawer. Maybe the drawer endorsed it already, transferred it already, then what will happen? Yes. Okay. If I endorse the bill to C, 3rd party, the bill is in the hands of the 3rd party. 3rd party will contact to drawee. Drawee will refuse. Then who will be returner? Who will return that bill? Who will be returning that bill? Yes. Yes. Endorsee. Endorsee means 3rd party. See here. Second condition. If endorsed, if that bill endorsed, in that case, drawee will be the receiver and endorsee will be the giver. narration. Endorsee means third party. So drawee's account debit to endorsee's account or the third party here C. Whatever the question is, situation is there, you will write that. Okay. So if the bill is with C, you will write C. If that bill is with Z, you will write that Z because now the situation will be same. Who is giving that bill back? Endorsee. And if he is paying noting charges, the amount will increase. Okay. Now, what will be the entry passed by drawing? Yes, please. Same. Why same? This is the easiest way I can tell you. Why same? Because he doesn't know that what the drawer is doing with that bill. He will see that bill on maturity only, whether paid or unable to pay. So the same rule will be applicable. Whether endorsee is returning, then also bills payable comes in, noting charges are the expenditure, and drawer is giver and becomes creditor. Okay, so endorsee means third party. Endorsee, please note down. Now third case. If discounted. If bill discounted. Yes. What is the meaning of bill discounted, my dear children? Yes, very good. To get the early payment, the drawer can approach to bank for discounted aid. Nowadays, banks are giving facilities to their account holders to get the payment before maturity date. But bank will charge some commission for that. Then now the bank will approach to the drawee for payment on maturity. The drawee refused to get the payment. Okay, then what the general entry he will pass? Okay, I'll tell you. Who the bank will approach to the drawee. The drawee refused. Then bank will approach to the drawer and give the bill back to him. So the same entry, drawee debit, and who is the giver? Bank. And what will be the narration? Same, bill dishonor. See, now who is the giver? Bank. Because the bill is with the bank. And who will be the receiver? Drawee. Now come to his books. What entry according to you will he pass? Yes, please. Same, my dear children, that is the benefit of this table. Same general entry he will pass. Because, as I told you, drawee doesn't know what the drawer is doing with that bill. Because drawer has facilities of 4 payment mechanisms. Keep till maturity with himself, endorsed it, discounted it. But the drawee will make the payment on maturity date. So he will pass the same entry again. That's why I am going to explain you this table again and again, because this is very easy when you will see through a table. Now, same entry. Yes. What is the fourth payment mechanism? Yes. What is the fourth payment mechanism? Bill sent for collection. Very good. Fourth is BSC. Bill sent for collection. My dear children, same entry here. Because bill sent for collection to the bank. So the same entry will be there. And he will also pass the same entry. Got it? Clear? He will also pass the same entry. Please note down. Yes, I will tell you it again. I will. Clear. First note down. Yes. In case of dishonor, say renewal, retiring is not in your course this year, up to dishonor you will have. So what is the meaning of dishonor? Dishonor means non-payment, refusal of payment by the drawee at the time of maturity of bill plus 3 days of grace. He is unable to give the payment. So what are the conditions then? This is the point here. So there are two conditions. Okay? Basically, the drawer has four situations or conditions of payment mechanism. What are the four conditions? First of all, keep with himself till maturity, and on maturity he will contact to drawee. First. Second. Yes. Second. Endorsed it means transfer the payment to the third party. The third party will get the payment on maturity, contact to drawee and get the payment. Third party is known as endorsee, and the process is known as endorsement, and drawer will become endorser. Yes, transfer of payment. But the condition of transfer of payment is you cannot change the amount, you cannot change the dates, you cannot change the amount in words or in numbers. Yes, you cannot change the sign, name of drawee, you cannot change the dates of maturity, duration of that bill. Same amount you can transfer to third party. Okay, and third option available payment mechanism is discounted from bank. The drawer has right to get the payment before maturity. Before maturity means the maturity date will come 2 or 3 months after, but the drawer can get the payment. He can approach to the bank and get the payment. The bank will give this facility to their account holders so that they can get early payment, but bank will charge some discount charges that will be debited and paid by a drawer. Now fourth, if the businessman is dealing in continuous basis, regular basis with the bill of exchange, he may forget or maybe lost the bill of exchange. So nowadays, various banks are providing that collection. Okay, bills sent for collection facilities. So that bill can be sent to the bank for collection. Okay. These are the simple conditions. But on maturity, if drawee is unable to give the payment, then he will refuse the giving the payment. So bills payable will come back, and if the drawer makes the noting, then noting charges also debited and drawer will become credited. Creditor means liability again arises. He has four options. Keep with himself till maturity. So the drawee debit to BR because BR is going out and he is making payment for noting in cash. Registrar notary department will charge some amount. Then if endorsed, then drawee to endorsee because the endorsee will return it back. If discounted, then drawee to bank because the bill is with the bank, the bank will return it. And if BSC, then the same general entry. And he will pass the same general entry in all the cases. Now I am going to tell you how to learn it. It's very easy process to learn. See drawee debit here. In all the cases, this drawing, the drawing, the drawing, the drawing. So you should learn this point. Drawing will be debited. Okay? Now, if the bill is with himself, then the bill is receivable. If the bill is with the endorsee, the endorsee will be the giver. Yes. If the bill is discounted, then bank is with the bank. So a bill is with the bank will be the giver. If the bill sent for collection, who has the bill that time? Bank. Now the bank will give it. It's very easy. Receiver will be debited. Giver will be credited. Simple general entry is good. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? Then you can ask. If you have any doubt, please tell me.